Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to discuss how to hide apps in Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G phones. Thus, if you also want to hide apps in your phone, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to hide apps in Redmi Note 12 Pro with two best ways. Hide apps in Redmi Note 12 Pro using built-in Hide Apps feature. Hiding apps in Mi Mobile is essential for our security in a public place. Many users are unaware of this feature of hiding apps in Mi Mobile. Thus, if you want to use this feature, then you have to unlock your Redmi device and open your phone's settings. Under the Settings app, you would find the Apps section, open it. Under the Apps section, you will find an option of App Lock, tap on it. Now, set up a password or enter the pre-existing password. Switch to the Hidden Apps tab. Turn on the toggle switch for the apps you want to hide. How to hide apps in Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G phones using third-party app? You can also hide any application on your Redmi or Xiaomi smartphone by using third-party launchers. There is plethora of Android launchers available on the Play Store, however, one of the best out there is Nova Launcher. So, let's hide apps using Nova Launcher. Go to Google Play. On the search bar above, type in the Nova Launcher. Next, tap Install. Wait until the download is done. After installation, you have to open the Nova Settings application. Then go to App Drawer. There, you will find Hide Apps options. Now select the apps you want to hide on your Android smartphone and then hit Back button. With this, you will be able to hide applications on any Android smartphone. So, this is all about how to hide apps in Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G phones. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.